Art with Sanskriti. So today I am going to make a hologram for tab, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So let's begin. Things you will need: scissor, pencil, scale, acrylic, paper and sellotape. Now measure base of 11 cm. Now take its middle, which is 5.5 cm, and measure 7 cm. Now 2 cm on the top, like this. Now match. Cut it. Here we have a quadrilateral. Now cut this in acrylic. Cut 4 pieces of this quadrilateral. Now paste it with small sellotape. And this also. Now here our hologram is ready. Now let's try it. I hope I have explained you very well. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my video. Thank you for watching.